Hey guys, so I get a lot of comments asking what I like to eat, and today I'm going to show you one of my favorite lunches. It's an acai bowl. It's incredibly simple, and it's also very nutritious. I'm Meg, and I'm passionate about finding ways to make life with kids easier in the kitchen. Okay, so let's talk about our ingredients. You're going to need almond milk, frozen banana, a combination of frozen fruit, flaxseed meal, granola, a fresh banana, and some coconut. So before we get started, I just wanted to talk a little bit about acai. I find mine in the frozen section of my grocery store. It has antioxidants in it, omegas, and a lot of fiber, and the best part is there's no sugar in here. This is just like pure nutrition. So making an acai bowl is really similar to making a smoothie. I'm gonna start by putting everything in my bowl, starting with my acai. And the difference is that there's not gonna be quite as much liquid, so I have this almond milk, which I'll put right in here. All right, and then I've got my frozen bananas, which I keep in my freezer. And finally, I've got fruit. So today I'm using some frozen blueberries, some frozen raspberries, a little bit of mango to give it a tropical flavor, and it all just goes right in the blender. All right, and then I've got my flaxseed meal. I've used this a bunch in different recipes, but it just adds a little bit of extra nutrition. Totally optional. All right, and then I'm gonna get my top on and blend. And because you don't have as much liquid, you may need to stop and start the blender a few times to stir. Okay, so my acai is done. It's ready to be topped. So I've got a clear bowl here because I think it looks pretty, and I'm just gonna pour a little bit in. All right, once I've got everything in there, I'm gonna top it with a little bit of banana. Now your toppings are totally optional. You could use berries, whatever you like. And then I've got some granola. I love the homemade granola I've made on this show before, so make sure you guys check that out. But I think granola is absolutely essential to an acai bowl because of the crunch against the softness of the acai is amazing. And then totally optionally is a little bit of coconut. I know some of you guys don't love coconut, but I just like to sprinkle a little bit on top. And there you have it, the perfect lunch to keep you going. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you're in a lunch rut, I hope you guys give this acai bowl a try. Let me know in the comments below your go-to lunches, and I will see you next time. Bye guys.